Just running from the event in your mind. Then I took